Good morning, guys. So I wanted to make a quick video to show how you can make 3D printing and casting supports using MatrixGold. So the first one we're gonna see is how to build the base. So this one, we just need to select the ring and it will automatically print the base. Just to be careful here, there's something that is very important. We all have different requirements when it comes to 3D printing and casting, okay? So I'm gonna do the basics, and just to be aware, you can always change the parameters here. You can change absolutely everything, okay? So in some cases, this would be enough for printing and casting, but if you want more supports, you can use this one and this one over here. Let's start with this one. Again, you will need to select ring, and what it's going to do is create a support right here. You can change this if you want to, and you can change the endpoint maybe as well, okay? And something quite interesting, you can position them like this if you wanted, okay? So in this case, I don't want so many. I'm just gonna put one here and one here perhaps, okay? So for what I'm trying to achieve, this would be enough, okay? And something that I always use is this over here, okay? So we just select the right one and you can bend them, okay? So this is quite interesting when it comes to casting in some cases, okay? So if you've noticed, the ones that I use are parametric. So if now I want to do a last minute change, for example, finger size, everything updates in real time, okay? Last but not least, let's look at this one, which is not parametric. It would allow you to create one at the very top, like so. Okay, let's remove the snaps. So you would have one here. If you want it smaller, just go here, and it actually creates the sprue from here. So you could look for the quadrant and it will create this shape. Okay, you can change it. You want to pin at the very top. Okay, so if you wanted to proceed with this, you could simply run a boolean, or you could go to mesh and do a shrink wrap as well. Okay, so yep, that's how I would make supports for 3D printing and casting using MatrixGold.